Guys, I just want to say real quick before we get this video started, I have recently put out a giveaway. Now, if you don't follow my Instagram or you're not coming to my channel from my Instagram, yeah, I have a giveaway going on right now, and I'm just gonna show you what's in the giveaway real quick. It's right behind me. Oh, don't mind my bed here, but yeah. First of all, you got this 13 Fishing, the Sport Z right hand reel. I got this in a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway with it. But to go with it, you got a bunch of, look at all these goodies right here. You know, you just can't go wrong. Like that's a pretty damn good giveaway, if I do say so myself. Anyone can enter. Rules are on the last Instagram post that I made. Go check it out for yourself. It is linked down at the top of the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're out here today. I'm gonna be doing some fishing, northern expanse. Gonna be out on the ice. We're gonna be out with some family today. I got my dad out with me, and I'm gonna be out with our best friends, Jenna and Justin. Hopefully we can get some pike on some tip ups. We'll do some jigging, get some perch, and most importantly, we're gonna be grilling some venison on the ice today, which is just gonna make it so much worth it because it's cold again. So yeah, that's it. We're getting gas right now, pumping gas, getting minnow, getting the bait, and we'll see you there. All right, guys, I am out here. I'm at the spot where we're gonna be fishing today. I just got left behind. I'm stranded. I'm by myself, alone in the northern expanse. I'm alone in the northern expanse, haha, yes. But no, Jenna just took the snowmobile, took the sled to go get our parents, our fathers, Dumb and Dumber, as they are known as. But yeah, she went to get them, so I'm left here with all my stuff. I'm probably gonna start drilling some holes here and start getting lines set. I'm gonna explain this a little bit. So right here, this is where we're fishing, right? You got a shoreline right there, right? Now the whole entire bay is out there. That's the northern expanse over there. But here we have our shoreline. Here, that's a point that jets out. We're gonna be doing some lines going in that way, and the fish the pike usually come up shallow into the weeds. This is all weedy, but this is a nice little bay area, and there's an island right there. We're gonna be doing lines going out to there. We're gonna be doing lines going out to there. We'll do some going out deeper, and then we're gonna do some probably going out this way. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. I'm just waiting for them to get everything out here. I'll probably start drilling holes, and yeah, we'll get the job done that way. All right, guys, time check for you. It is, Jenna, what time do you have? Okay. 11:12. All the holes are drilled. Tip-ups are in all the holes. A late start. 11:12 is a little late, but it doesn't matter. If the fish want to eat, they'll eat regardless. They'll be here. But yeah, today it's a little cold, so I don't really feel like jigging much at all today. So today is gonna be a tip-up day only, pretty much. Hopefully we can get some action for you guys. Hopefully the flags start going up here soon, and you just sit tight and stay tuned.
Now, when I cook the loin you bought me, I thaw it out and then slice it, right? And then
time
marinate
update.
It.
It's got to be, oh, I don't know,
You grill it or fry it in the pan?
Johnny, you got a time in there?
Either.
What do you do?
I usually grill it.
I said you got a time in there?
Grill it on the grill?
Yeah.
Hold on.
All right. Well, guys, it's
12:23.
what's that?
12:23.
12:23. There's your time update. We have had 0 flags up, and we've been fishing for over an hour now. We made a couple jigging holes. I know I originally said I wasn't gonna jig, but well, you got to try and get something. But yeah, right now we're throwing these nice venison steaks on the grill. Guys, this is how you do it. This is how you get it done right here. Look at those. Oh my God! Look at those beautiful, juicy venison steaks. Oh, they smell so good. You guys, I don't know if you can smell them through the camera or not, but oh boy, these are gonna be good. These will go nicely with no fish being caught soon. I really had money on that line or this line right here, personally. Flag! Jenna's got venison in her hand, but we're running out to it. It's the first one of the day. We got live action out here. Is it spinning or is it false flag?
It is running.
It is it? You want me to check it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold that. Just hold it. That's a wind trip. Weed. Or maybe it got dragged. That was a false flag, sadly. But yeah, I got it. That was a nice adrenaline rush. It was nice to get the blood flowing a little, get us antsy, anticipating what was causing that, but I think it was just a wind-blown flag, false flag. But yeah, hopefully we get an actual flag to come up soon. Alright guys, got a flag walking up. Jenna's it taken?
The ice out?
Yeah. Oh, we're spinning. It's spinning. Yeah. Okay, Jenna. What do you got?
It's got size? Boy, it's fighting, isn't it?
Oh! Oh!
Get him up here.
Oh!
Hey, that's a nice one.
Hey!
All right! We're in! JC!
Yeah!
Well, after lunch, they start picking up.
Last one's spinning, huh? Could get fault again. Oh wait, yeah, he's
go.
going.
Yeah.
Jenna's it
Oh, boy!
Jenna's it going?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yes, it is. Look at this top.
Oh, he meant that.
Oh.
Yeah, I got weight. This feels good. This feels good.
Oh, boy. Oh, he's way off.
He is.
This feels good.
Back-to-back flags, coach. This is making it work. Is this a big one?
Oh! No! Oh! No! Oh! No!
No! That was, did you see the size of that?
That was huge.
That was big.
Oh.
That was 8 to 10 easy.
Oh! That was
Oh my God.
Oh. I'm sick to my stomach.
Did you see that?
Yes.
It's fluorocarbon. This isn't braid. I forgot. I went to put. Oh,
That was 8 to 10 easy.
Yeah.
Wasn't it? Jay-Z?
That was
Does
huge.
that have a leader on it, you think?
yeah. This should have a lead. This is fluorocarbon. Because when I went to pull it up, when I went
That was
to
8 to 10.
when I went to pull it up, they did a nosedive, and that's what snapped it.
Oh my.
All right, guys. Well, that really hurts. That hurts big time. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll have to check the camera and I'll check the footage when I get back to my house and start editing the video. But when I got that pike up, I don't know if you saw the head. The head on that thing was huge. It was just that was a big pike. I'd say anywhere from 7 to 10 pounds in that range. That was just that hurts. That tip-up had fluorocarbon line on it, no leader. The no leader probably hurt it. If there was a leader, I bet I would have had that pike through the ice. When I went to pull it up through the hole, it made a nosedive down right before coming up, and as you saw, it snapped. But yeah, that's tough. that's really tough. But hey, Jenna caught a pike, a nice pike, a little 4-pounder, so that was good. Yeah, it's been, obviously we haven't had any tip-ups or flags at all, and then all of a sudden we had 2 back-to-back, and so that was really nice. 2 fish, a big one that we lost. It's looking up here in the last couple hours that we're out here. So guys, just sit tight and stay tuned.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. Now, I didn't get to do the outro on the ice. I wanted to, but I kind of forgot. I'm not gonna lie, emotions were running pretty high after that big fish loss right there. Seeing that fish again, seeing the footage of that fish, I don't know. I just choke up. I might just tear up. No, but yeah, it was a tough fish loss for sure. But as a fisherman, you probably already have experienced a lot of those in life, and if not, trust me, you will. I sure as already have experienced a bunch of those, but hey, I'll get my redemption on the ice the next time I go out, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video. Thank you for watching it, and hopefully you guys like it. If you do, click that like button down below, and guys, if you have not done so, please hit that subscribe button as well. I'm just saying, it's there. Like, it's an option. You can do it. But yeah, guys, thank you, and until the next Northern Expanse Expedition.